Kisho inu is one of the unique coin this time in the crypto market to 156% profit in this time you can see here in last 7 days. I think it is second on good coin my friend this time in the crypto market because first is Shiba Inu and second is Kisho inu. So therefore these both coin is completely go in the moon my friend, and absolutely it's very good pump my friend. Remember, I cannot make a financial video. This is just an only my friend advice for all of you. So please we will need my friends to predicate this coin to how much in upcoming time the price will be increased now in upcoming days. And Kisho is completely on the trending on Twitter market this time, so therefore the price will pumping up 156% profit in last 7. Can you believe this huge pump my friend? I can't expect this, but my friend, you can see here this is absolutely true. Now you can see here on the sea. So this time you can see in last 7 days my friends they will get a very good profit now in upcoming time. If we check out the last 3 days chart, this is very important. You can see here, so in last 3 days they were very badly phased down. And remember, don't worry. Everybody know this too. After a short time, every coin will pumps up. But also after a very huge pump, they were fails down because my friend, the short time investor, my friend, absolutely. And when they see my friend the huge pump, so my friend they will starting investing. But when they see my friends to us, they will starting fails down. Absolutely, they will starting selling. So therefore, please try to understand. Please, if you invest for a long time, I hope my friends they will give you a profit. But if you invest for a short time, remember my brothers, they will also give you very good profit. But if you are a genius, but if you are new in a crypto, please invest for a long time. I hope my friends they will give you a profit. So Kisho inu coin holder, please, absolutely, you want to get a profit, you will need my friends to hold down on this time because you can see in the last 3 days they were fails down. So definitely the price has come down very cheap now. Please hold down. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time. Kisho inu coin holder, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. For more this type informative video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.